Okay, this is the Xiaomi tire pump. Everything in Chinese. So have a look. Oh, okay, it's just like this. So I think the operation should be simple, nothing much. And what else this have? Oh, got a pouch also. Nice. Okay, that's very good. And this is the extra tips for other. Oh, got the power USB. Okay, come with this. Got a micro USB, very short cable. And this is I think for the balls or something else. Okay. Charging port is below to charge the battery. Okay, just pull the thing. Oh, once the moment you pull, then it will be indicated the light. This is a PSI. See whether I can change to 45 PSI. This is bar. Oh, there's only PSI and bar. Unfortunately, there's no kPa. This is for the tire or bicycle. So this is bicycle, sorry. This is the car. This balloon or ball. Okay, that's not good. There's no kPa. Try to. This is bar. Okay, press and hold, then change to PSI. So, okay. Oh, got the torchlight also. Okay. Okay, that's very cool, but I don't see any indication of the battery remaining, how many percentage of this. So the moment pull this thing, they light up the LCD, but the moment you pump, Oh, the torch is pressing this one. Okay, so plus and minus, how many bar? OPSI. The moment press here is bar, press and hold, will change to PSI. Then you start pump, or you set the thing. This I think have a auto cut off function. So if I set 35, then this one pump until hitting the maximum, they will cut off. Okay, I think overall this is recommend. Very simple and handy. It doesn't require the what do you call this? It doesn't need the power 12-volt battery cigarette lighter. So it's just a normal USB. You can charge this to any USB cigarette to USB port. And yeah. Okay, how long is this? Not so long. So, but there's no indication about how many percentage left remaining. Okay, when it's charging is like this. I think this is very handy. Doesn't need cigarette port. It just, yeah, very nice. I think should be very handy. Okay, that's about it. Thank you. Before that, have a look on the ports on this one. The good thing they provided the small bag. So the small bag is to put these accessories, including the USB cable. So now I'm still charging it, and let's try to put it in. So it's very handy and small, compact. So this is a good recommended tools. Yep.